Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a nice holiday weekend. Happy Monday. I'm going to be sharing the new stamps and dies from Coco and Reno for this month, and it's a really fun set designed in part by Michelle, who is Pink Strawberries here on YouTube and also on Instagram. So this month the die set is called Wraps, and it is meant to wrap up little treat containers, mini coffee cups, and just little treats. So I thought it was really fun. So this is the wrapping die here that creates like a coffee sleeve, and then it has some accessory pieces. This one here is a little scallop, and you get the top and bottom if you want to add a scallop to the sleeve. And then this one here is another really cute design with mini hearts. So there's that one. You also get the top and bottom pieces for that. And there's a die to cut out and make some mini rosettes. Really cute and fun size. And then this one here is a banner, and I like that it comes scored so you can fold and give it like some little tails on the banner, and it's a nice size. Comes with some circle dies. This one's a little wavy one, a smaller basic circle, and then a little scalloped one. So this would also be really cute for embellishments. And then since it is just a cute design that would be nice for treats all year for different holidays or birthdays, I like that she included these little accent dies or little designs for Valentine's Day, a little gingerbread and tree for Christmas, and a little pumpkin for fall or Halloween. So really cute and fun set this month. So while I was waiting for my 4-ounce cups to arrive from Amazon, I really wanted to wrap something up, so I found these little condiment containers that I keep. I've used them before for birthday parties to make individual like Jello cups or treats for the kids. So I wrapped one of those containers up. So I used the wrap die, and then I cut out the scallops for the top and bottom. I did some stitching in gold thread. I cut like my own little banner here and added a little sticker that says Fa La La, some little pearls, and up at the top here I did use the mini rosette. You do have to cut 2 pieces and just put them together, and it makes this really cute rosette. Here's the little banner that folds on either side, and then I used the other circle, just basic circle punch or a die for this bottom piece, and added some pom-pom trim around there. And then I just punched out some snowflakes and added a puffy sticker. So this paper collection is one of my favorites. It's Merry Days by Crate Paper. So I love that and had fun playing with it. So for my next project share, I'm going to also be doing a tutorial at the end. I got the mini coffee cups that I ordered, and I had so much fun. I thought they turned out so cute. So since they are kind of, I could have added the scallop, but I chose to just use the wrapping die for this part here, and then I cut the banner to layer on the front here and use some stickers from this paper collection and a sentiment that says "Oh So Cold." And this is the new Feeling Frosty by Simple Stories, and I actually won this in a giveaway on Instagram, so thank you so much to Simple Stories. It's such a cute, fun collection, and I love the bright colors throughout the collection. So on the top here, I just wrapped up some twine on the lid, and then I used my own circle punch for this because I needed it for the holder, which I'm going to be sharing. So it's the perfect size. It's a 2-inch circle die that I have that has some stitching, and it's a little bit bigger than the circle punch that's included with the dies. So just a little bit bigger is what I needed. So I used that layer there, and then I added a mini rosette and then a mini Christmas tree right here, and I think that turned out so cute. So I made 2, and then I'll be sharing a quick little tutorial on how I made this holder for my mini coffee cup. So I just think it looks so cute just all together in its little holder. And I just punched another little scallop edge die there using a Martha Stewart punch that I have, and added another little sticker there and pearls. And then on the side here I added some charms and beads. So I added a cute little deer and a striped bead there, and then a little heart that says made with love. So here's my first one. Sorry, it's hard to share in the video. So it looks really cute in the little holder, and I love the way the tree looks up at the top. So cute. So I made 2. Here's the other one. Pretty much the same thing, just using the wrap die and the banner die there. I added some stickers, some little snowflakes and stickers from the collection, and another rosette, another circle punch, circle die there, twine, and another cute little tree. Love this. And here's the other little holder, pretty much the same. So for this one, the only thing is I added a pink deer and a blue bead. So there's my little holder. Oh, looks like there's something in there. Okay, so there's that, and it fits right in, and it looks so cute. So those are my project shares, and if you're interested, I will link the website where I found the measurements for the coffee cup holder, but I wanted something really quick and easy, so I went with this one. It was perfect. So I used 110-pound cardstock, and this base piece measures 2 3/4 by 11 inches long, and it's scored at 1/2 inch here, 3 1/4 inches, 3 3/4 inches, and 6 1/2 inches, and that's it. So you've got 4 score marks on this one long piece, and that's all you need for the base piece. And then you do need some pattern paper of your choice. I'll include all the measurements in the description box below too. So for the pattern paper piece, I just basically cut it down about 1/8 of an inch smaller because I wanted a really small border. So I cut down my pattern paper just to 2 5/8 inch wide by 11 inches, or 12 if it's pattern paper. And then each of the sections, you only need 3. So for this section here, the pattern paper should measure 2 5/8 of an inch by 2 5/8 inches. And for this front panel here, it measures 2 5/8 by 3/4 of an inch. And this top one here measures, again, 2 5/8 by 3 7/8. And you can cut it different if you want a bigger border around your piece. And then basically you just fold all the score lines, add some double-sided tape here, and that creates your holder. So I have another one that I've gotten a little bit further on, just to show you the next couple steps. So this one I cut out in pink paper, and it's not 110-pound. I do like the 110-pound better. It makes it a lot sturdier, but with this paper that I chose to layer, it was blending too much with the white, so I went with pink. So I've already adhered the pattern paper to this section here, and I cut out the middle piece using a 2-inch die from my stash. So I just adhered it and then die cut the circle out. I added some double-sided tape here, and I'm going to go ahead and add really quick. Before you add this paper here, if you want, you can round the corners up at the top, or use one of your decorative corner punches to make it a little different. So I usually round both of those out and then layer it. So there's that. And then I do like to go ahead and use my Bearly Arts glue. I love this glue and the little thin tip. So nice. So I just add some glue there. And, you know, try to get it centered and even all the way around with the borders. So like I said, I wanted a real thin edge showing. So there's that. And then this little piece is the one that measures 3/4 of an inch by 2 5/8. And same thing, just add a little glue and put this right here on the front. And that's it. I did not add pattern paper all the way around. You can add some to the back if you like, but as far as what you're going to be seeing is just those 3 panels. And then really easy, just take off the double-sided tape. I usually add a little bit of glue as well, and then just stick that to the back there. And we have a really quick and easy little holder for our coffee cup. And it fits perfectly. And I really like this one because the back, you can trim it down lower if you like, but since I used the Christmas trees, it made it a little bit taller, and it's right, I mean, kind of right up there. I think the tree pokes out just a little over the top of the back there, but I was okay with that, and I think it looks super cute. So there's my little quick tutorial on the holder. And then another little tip, I had these trees in my stash from, I think, Dollar Tree or somewhere a couple years ago, and they were a little too long, so I just took some wire cutters and I cut it down to size, and then I pulled some of the branches off to give me a little, you know, a little bit of wire at the bottom, and then I just poked that into the middle of the rosette and glued it in. So you can adjust the size of your mini trees if they're a little too big as well. So that's it, guys. I also wanted to share really quick the stamps that come, and they coordinate with the circle dies, and just really fun because you can use them for just a little, any general treat, or like I said, Valentine's Day with love, thinking of you, happy birthday, good luck for St. Patrick's Day. So I think she thought of everything with this set, and I love that the stamps really do coordinate with the dies and with everything. So this one's really cute. It says Merry Christmas, Happy Halloween. You've got Thanksgiving, spring. So this is just a really cute set that you can use year-round. And teacher's gifts. Oh my God, so many possibilities. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you liked my project share and my little tutorial. Check out the description box below for all of the measurements, and also the website where I was able to find this cute little holder. And there's other ones. I know if you don't like the open side here, there's a couple other tutorials that I saw where you can make the side completely covered, but this one was so quick and easy that I really like it. Alright, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.